Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I want to say you something. And look guys, this is my paper dolls. Look, and real people and little money. Coins too. And we want to tell something about my paper doll. Okay guys, so let's see. Look, this is Alia. This is a new girl of school, and her name is Chloe. And this is Lila. And this is Vampire Green. And this is Frula. And this is Lila Baby. These are the things that we want to see, guys. And guys, let's start our video. So we want to tell something about our mornings by Little Champachi. Looks like real money, right? Okay, let's start our video. One day there was a girl named Chloe. She was always sad and she said to others, "First Lila Baby." She said no. And second, Vampire Green. She said also no. Third, Alia. She said to Lalia too no. Fourth, Lila. She said Lila too no. Leah, she said also no. And sit into a china means something shadow. And she was always sad and want a real mom for her. And one day there comes a new girl named Marinette Chimpanzee. She goes to Adrian. Hey Adrian, said Marinette. I mean Chloe. Hi Marinette. Hi Chloe, you want me my friend? Of course not. I guess we are the best friend ever in this world. And another people were very angry. Oh yeah, I know. She will only Marinette. And Alia. And Alia said, "Oh yeah, Mom. My sister." They two were very happy. And this is the end, friends. See you next time in episode 2. This is episode 1, and let's go into episode 2. Bye bye guys.